Let's talk a little bit about diversions in the market. There are good diversions and there are bad diversions. In this game of trading, again, we've talked about the importance of setting a narrative, being patient, and defining the markets that you want to play in, the time frames you want to trade in. All of those things, of course, need to be done. Your research, your homework. These are all positive things in your trading life. On the plus side, you also need to have diversions. What do I mean by diversions? Things that keep you away from the market. I don't think that anybody needs to be in front of their screens 24/7, and quite frankly, I don't think you need to be in front of them more than a normal trading day. Most of the moves that I like to take are multiple days, 2 to 3, 4 weeks at times. So you don't need to be in front of the screen to catch every gyration. That can be a negative diversion. So I've got plenty of positive diversions in my life. Here are some examples for me. I love to golf. I love to ski. I can go hit golf balls. I don't have to play a round of golf. However, if during that lunchtime I've got a couple hours, I get away from the screens if I expect nothing to happen. If there's a Fed day scheduled, there's really no reason for me to be around until after the news. So that gives me most of the day, up until 11 o'clock that morning here on the West Coast, until the Fed brings their thoughts and their noise. So have positive diversions. Skiing, golf. Tell you what, music is a great one. We live in a time where you're basically living in a music store at the internet, whether it's Spotify, whether it's Pandora, whether it's YouTube. You basically have the world at your hands to listen to all types of music from all around the world, and this is something that is very healthy for your spirit, for your mind, and for your trading mind, having kind of that time to think. Exercise. Get away from the screens. Again, if it's for an hour every day, go do some burpees, go do some running, walking. Again, cross-country skiing, downhill skiing. These are all very positive divergences. Reading. Listen, here on my trading desk, I've got stacks of magazines, both paper and digital. I recommend a subscription to an app that you can get on both the Android platform and the iOS platform, and that's called Next Issue. You can get about 120 different magazines delivered right to your device, your tablet, every month as they come out. These are very positive diversions, in my opinion. Negative diversions. Don't get caught up watching and reading really financial news and analyst work. What value does that provide? And we're going to get into that, how to interpret news and analyst work here in another video. But there really is no positive value if you have set your strategy, it's working for you, established your risk. There's really no need for you to watch CNBC, to watch Bloomberg. Most of what you're seeing there is fluff pieces. You're not going to get any value out of it before anybody else. So think about it this way. The news that you see, try reading a paper 1 week ago from today. Will you get any value for it? Probably not. So stick to magazines that interest you, whether it's photography, popular mechanics, popular science, things that have nothing to do with the market. Go to places that drive diversion for you in a positive way. Stay away from things that are negative. Don't go out drinking. Don't go out doing things that are bad for your body, bad for your spirit during the market hours. Again, occasional sip of wine, go grab a coffee. That's a positive experience. Eat well. Treat your body well, your mind, and will then be in the right frame and in the right spirit to take profits from the market. So pick your diversions well, have many of them away from market interests. You need to have them to keep the mind and the body healthy and in the right frame to attack during those 20% times when the market offers the right opportunities. Pick well.